In this video, I will explain how to test the MLSA tools to make sure that the software was installed correctly. The instructions for testing whether MLSA was installed correctly can be found on the MLSA TWiki page. You can refer to this TWiki page for all instructions and documentation on MLSA, including an explanation of the MLSA architecture. For this video, we will focus on the installation page. At the bottom of the page are instructions for downloading MLSA. After installation, we suggest testing MLSA on the test folders we have provided to make sure that the tool has been installed properly. It is important to run the test code on each folder to test all of MLSA's functionality. In the MLSA folder, click on the folder labeled Test. Inside, you should find a program called Test Code along with 6 test folders. To run test code, type in the command line python testcode.py followed by a number in the range 0 through 5. Test folder number 0 tests the C and C++ specific function call generator. Test folder number 1 tests the control flow, assignment collector, and RDA pipeline for C and C++ programs. The test2 folder tests the function call generator for Python programs. Test3 tests the multilingual aspect of the function call pipeline on Python, C, and C++ programs. Test folder number 4 tests the JavaScript-specific function call generator. And finally, the Test5 folder tests the multilingual pipeline for Python, C, C++, and JavaScript. If everything has run smoothly, there will be stats files for each of the 6 test folders. Make sure to open all stats files and look through them. If there is nothing below the last line that says differences in a certain CSV file, then the MLSA tool has been installed correctly. If there is something written underneath, then the CSV files that your computer has generated are different from the ones provided, and there is a problem with the installation. Once you have finished testing, type into the command line python testcode.py -1. This will clean up your test folder. If the test ran smoothly, congrats! MLSA has been installed correctly. Check out our next video to learn how to run MLSA.